In this tutorial, I will guide you how to find your DevPlay account in the Cookie Run Kingdom game. So make sure to follow the instructions very carefully. Now, once you launch the game, you'll see the three lines at the top right corner here. So which is a menu, click on it. Now on the menu, select settings and then select here on info. Now also on the info here, you'll see the player info. And then you'll see the email here which say login successfully. You can select copy. This will copy your email address. Now keep in mind that your email is your DevPlay account. So whenever anyone asks you for your DevPlay account, your email is your DevPlay account. Now this will depend on what is linked. So if we click here on my DevPlay, you can see my DevPlay is linked to my Google account. So whether you link it to Apple, Facebook, or Google Play, that will be your DevPlay account. But for me, my email, specifically Gmail, is my DevPlay account. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.